Hey guys, you know I love a good potion bottle, so today I'm going to show you how to put together this Witch Brew potion bottle. There's several of these in my Silhouette shop. If you are not a Silhouette VIP, did you know that I send out freebies every single Thursday? I do. So make sure and join that by going to KarinaGardner.com and clicking on VIP. And I'm going to show you how to make this right now. Okay, let's get started. So I do have a bottle, and you're gonna wanna size your potion bottle pieces to the bottle that you end up choosing. These are some that I bought on clearance, I think. At one point, I have a whole bunch of them, and I use them for lots of different potion bottles. I have some in my ebook, so I'm just gonna move that out of the way for a second, because I'm gonna build this separately, and then I'm gonna place it on the bottom. Okay, so first you have a background piece, and I do have this cute little, what do you call this? A flourish, basically. And I'm just going to use stick glue on it all the way around. If I could pop dot everything on this potion bottle, I would, because it just makes it different than ones that you can print, which is, you know, what you want to show if you're actually going through the trouble of making some fantastic Silhouette pop out solution. Okay, you can see that my stick glue is purple. It will dry clear. So I just kind of smush it into place, just like that. Okay, and then next I have these type pieces. It says Witch Brew. Now here's the deal. I didn't have any transfer paper, so I wanted to show you I am just using tape. Now you do have to be a little more careful with tape, but all you're gonna do is put glue on it, and then you can use an X-Acto knife or your Silhouette knife to peel them away. So I'm just gonna put glue right on it, just like this. And once again, that clear glue is so nice for this kind of project. And then I'm going to place it kind of as centered as I can, but a little bit up. Now the danger here, of course, is that you're going to accidentally tape the tape in such a way to the background. But if you're really careful about it, you should be fine. So I'm just gonna pull this first piece up, and you can see I'm not even using an X-Acto knife. Usually I use one. Okay, so most of it's off. It looks like I have a little tiny bit right there. I'm just gonna pull that gently off as well. And I'm gonna clean away, just with my nails, I'm just cleaning away some of this extra glue. All right, so that's pretty cute as is, but let's add a few more things. You can see I'm just using this to scrape away some of the glue. All right, so I have this cute little witch hat, and you know I like to layer things to make things a little bit easier. This also is nice because it gives this witch hat a little bit of bulk. So I go ahead, glue those together just like that. And then I am going to use a pop dot on this to make it stick out just a little bit. And I also have a few pearls. So you just have to make some choices here. So I am actually not even using the dot. I'm just using a piece of it, just like that. And I'm just going to put it on the back of this little witch hat, okay? And I just tore it apart. You don't even need to cut it if you don't want. So I just have a couple of little pieces on there. Move that out of the way. Got pop dots all over me. Okay, and then go ahead and stick that in place. Now it's your decision where you're gonna put it. I'm gonna place mine kind of coming off right there like that. And then the final step is I have some of these pearls, and I'm just gonna throw a couple of these pearls on for a little more decorative. I'm gonna place one of these pearls in the witch hat. I still want some of that purple to show, so I'm just going to put it a little bit below, just like that, okay? And you can put them all over if you would like. So I'm just gonna drop a few of mine so it looks like a sprinkling of magic. That's what I'm going for anyway. And hopefully keeping it pretty random looking. All right, there we go. So cute, right? Finally, you are gonna place it on your bottle. Now, I recommend either hot glue or pop dots for this. And it just needs a little more than stick glue to really make it stay. So I'm gonna use hot glue today. Just move those out of the way. And I just like to put a little bit of hot glue kind of on the edges of the actual label, like that. And then you're going to put it, kind of center it, I think is probably the best thing, into place. Hold it down, okay? And then it's done. Isn't that so cute? Didn't that turn out darling? Okay, if you are not signed up for my Silhouette VIP, you can join for free at karinagardner.com. Click on exclusive VIP. I send out free files every single Thursday. And that is the only place to get my free files. And I hope that you're making something very, very cool this season, something that will make you pretty happy. And I will see you later.